In this video, I will be taking a look at the Ugee U1200 Display Tablet. This was my first time trying out a tablet made by Ugee, so I was very interested to see how it performs. This tablet is currently going for close to $200 on Amazon as of the recording of this video. As many of you may know, display tablets are usually on the expensive side, so in my opinion this price for a display tablet is pretty good. Obviously, the important part will be how good it performs. Alright, let's go ahead and start by unboxing this tablet. It comes neatly packaged and it doesn't go too crazy with how things are packaged. Everything is nice, simple and to the point. As most tablets typically do these days, it also comes with some extra pen nibs, a glove and a warranty card. The tablet is 11.9 inches in size, which is a nice size for portability. I will be showing some size comparisons later on in this video. The pen it comes with is a little bit skinnier than other pens on the market. Here's how it compares to a Gaomon pen, for example, which is basically the same size as a Wacom pen. I was a little worried this would be an issue, but as I started using it, it turned out to work just fine without any problems. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect the tablet to a computer. So this tablet comes with an HDMI and a USB cable. The nice thing which I really like about this tablet is that it doesn't need an extra power supply cord to function. The tablet draws power from your computer using the USB cable. It does have a connection for a separate power supply as well, so if you don't want your tablet to be drawing power from your computer, you can also opt to connect it to an external power supply. For me personally, the less cords I have around, the better, so not needing an extra power cord is huge for me. The tablet app comes with a few different settings which you would expect for most of these tablets. You can change what the buttons do and many other things. I tried this in Photoshop at first and I was having a little bit of trouble getting the pen pressure to work correctly. But after turning on the option for Windows Ink in the tablet app, it actually behaved as expected. As you can see here, the pressure and accuracy for the placement of the pen works very well. It's also important to mention that I didn't feel any input lag as I was drawing here in Photoshop and later sculpting in Zbrush. The pen eraser also appears to work just as expected. Alright, I'm not too much of a Photoshop user, at least not for creating art, so I jumped over to Zbrush to test how well it works with sculpting. I have to say I was very impressed at how well this tablet works with Zbrush. I guess because of the size I wasn't expecting it to be very comfortable with sculpting, but after just a few minutes of sculpting I felt very at ease and having fun sculpting on the screen. Like mentioned earlier, no input lag and all my strokes would seamlessly show up on the screen as I was sculpting. It's a little hard to describe, but the last screen tablet of this size that I tried, which was one made by Gaomon, did not feel as good as this tablet in terms of responsiveness. As I mentioned earlier, here's a size comparison with a standard piece of paper. As you can see, it's about the same size as that. This is one of those tablets that I can totally see being really fun using while on the couch or in bed. It's small enough and lightweight enough that you can carry it around. All in all, I'm actually very impressed at how good this tablet is. I honestly did not really know what to expect, and since I had not used a tablet by Ugee before, I was just a little skeptical. After trying it out, I can safely say this is a pretty good tablet, especially if you want to use it for sculpting in Zbrush. I will leave a link in the video description for you guys to check it out. Also, if you have this tablet, please feel free to let everyone know in the comment section what you think of it. I want to thank the folks from Ugee for sending me this tablet. The tablet really performed better than I expected. Once more, there is a link in the video description for you guys to check it out. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you everyone for watching and I hope to see you in a future video.